By popular demand, we're back with a new list of 5 amazing e-commerce offers available to promote on ClickBank right now. When I say e-com, I mean branded offers. And these offers are really good for email list subscribers, blog readers, social media followers, or members of a community that you manage. These offers are also built and optimized for media buyers too. So in no particular order, let's jump into the offers. Coming in at number 5, Alpha Brain by Onnit. Alpha Brain is a nootropic supplement from the famous health and wellness brand Onnit. The whole idea behind Alpha Brain is to help people maintain focus where it matters most. This cognitive enhancer is designed to support cognitive function, memory, attention, concentration, and focus. Alpha Brain features 4 key ingredients that 1. Get your brain to produce more alpha waves, and 2. Supports the production of neurotransmitters. So if you're an affiliate for them, Onnit will pay out a flat CPA commission of $90 or commission rate of 60% on every Alpha Brain sale you generate. You need to be approved to run traffic to Alpha Brain on ClickBank, but they offer quality proven swipes, including high converting emails and product images. Alpha Brain performs best with YouTube, email, TikTok, and native traffic. Get started in the ClickBank marketplace today. Alpha Brain offers a CPA of $90, an average payout of $117.01, and commission rate of 60%. Alpha Brain is a brand people know and trust. This is an offer you want to start promoting today. Okay, so number 4 is Simply Enough. In the nutrition niche, there's Enough, a concentrated vegetable nutrition product. Everyone knows that eating vegetables is healthy, but most of us have a tough time finding the time or money to get as many veggies as we need. Enough is an alternative to traditional multivitamins and supplements that provides the full range of phytonutrients you would expect to get from eating vegetables. As a concentrate, Enough can be mixed into any food and be virtually missed by anybody who's eating it, like my daughter, and I put this into her ketchup and she never knew. If you want to promote Enough, you'll have to submit an affiliate application to get approved. The good news is all traffic sources will work to promote this product. It also comes with quality target demo data, email swipes, images, and videos. So find out more in our marketplace today. A CPA is custom per affiliate, so you can reach out to the brand to learn more. It has an average payout of $52.77, and the commission rate is 35%. This is an offer you don't want to miss. Hey, we hope you're enjoying the list of top e-commerce affiliate products on ClickBank. For more content like this, hit the like button and subscribe to ClickBank YouTube channel so you'll always have access to the latest videos. Okay, and here we are, number 3, Club Early Bird. The Club Early Bird cocktail is a nootropic product made for customers to drink first thing in the morning. It boosts clean energy from natural caffeine, plus antioxidants, aminos, electrolytes. Club Early Bird features a baseline 50% commission rate per sale and a possible CPA commission based on performance. You can also find excellent email swipes and images, plus 3 different landing page variations to boost your targeting and campaign performance. You can try this offer with email traffic or any audience that is highly engaged that you manage. You can find Club Early Bird in ClickBank's marketplace. CPA can be approved per affiliate. Your average payout is $34.83, and there's a commission rate of 50%. You don't want to miss this offer. You want to be the early bird. And here we are at number 2 with Bubs Naturals. I love this product. I actually personally take it every day, every morning, their collagen product. It's so good. It makes my hair grow, so I love them. Bubs Naturals is a quality brand of health supplements focused primarily on anti-aging. Bubs has 2 strong products available for you to promote right now. The flagship collagen protein powder product, which I just talked about, and their new offer, the apple cider vinegar gummies. They taste so good. Both products have a strong 85% commission rate for affiliates, as well as a potential CPA commission for top performers. With an impressive average order value of $250 plus. All traffic sources are good to go for both offers, the collagen protein and the apple cider vinegar gummies. Definitely check them out today in ClickBank's marketplace. Bubs Naturals has an average payout of $53.58 for the collagen offer and $14.73 for the apple cider vinegar gummies. They also have a commission rate of 85%. You definitely want to check out these offers. And number 1, we have Atlas bars. The idea behind Atlas bars is for customers to control their cravings using a clean meal replacement bar that actually fuels the body and the mind. That's why Atlas bars are focused around the importance of nutrition. This product includes real ingredients like grass-fed whey protein, fresh nut butter, vegetable glycerin, and if you're interested in promoting this amazing fuel bar to your audience, it should work with any traffic source, so definitely give it a shot. Atlas Bars has an incredible team working behind this offer. They're really interested in partnering with you, so definitely connect with them today. It's still early in the new year, which means there are tons of people looking to make permanent new habits for their health, whether that's weight loss, more energy, anti-aging, or just nutrition. These are epic health and wellness offers that you can become an affiliate for on the best affiliate marketplace for e-commerce products, ClickBank. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me, and I'll see you next time. Like and subscribe.